state of the fiber industry today, it doesn't take us long to realize with iPads and iPhones and whatnot that you've got much less people reading newspapers and magazines. So the printing part of the business is declining at rapid speed. The good thing in North America is the box industries are still thriving and still growing at a moderate pace. Specifically on the linerboard side, with people gravitating away from malls to internet shopping, more and more things are shipped, and there's usually a box inside a box inside of a box. So that's good for our industry, and it's good for mills like GreenPac. The group behind GreenPac, Cascades, built their business around taking older and in some cases distressed mills or assets and really turning them around. The difference with GreenPac is to try something brand new that would be sustainable for the next 50 years. So the GreenPac mill is a state-of-the-art, lightweight, recycled linerboard facility. It's the largest linerboard machine in North America. So we have a really good trim where we optimize every pound of paper that we produce. 500,000 tons a year at this time, just over 1,400 tons per day.
For the OCC, on a daily basis, we do between 45 to 50 truckloads a day. Each of those truckloads is right around 20 short ton. In addition to that, we unload on an average of 2 rail car per day. Just to give you an idea, that is basically half of a football field we fill up in half of a shift.
We still lose about 10% of our waste paper that's coming in. With that though, we've been able to find alternative uses to prevent a significant portion from going to landfill. The metal gets recycled. We have a plastic stream that completely gets burned at our third-party steam provider. We take their steam and we give them plastic to give us more steam. And then the third stream is fiber rejects. We recycle by adding lime to make animal bedding, or kitty litter for horses, I call it.
Almost 95% recycled goods can be now turned into newer paperboard type material. Advances in technologies and the total process has allowed that to happen. Siemens' involvement with the GreenPac project dates back right from the very beginning. Our SciPaper Group engineers worked very closely with their teams to design and confirm what their expectations were for this particular facility.
We made it very clear that we had 3 startup goals, and it was first pulp, first stock on the wire, and first reel of paper at the end of the dry end. Siemens is really the brains of the mill. It's a single platform that's able to communicate from one end to the other. Siemens, not just from the design and engineering stage, but certainly through the installation, strong commissioning, and startup, worked very hard for us to achieve our timelines.
Whether it's a valve positioner or a flow meter or temperature or pressure sensor, each unit has function blocks within the SciPaper PCS7. And we can actually do data analytics as well as provide a conduit into making very rapid and flexible changes on the fly.
There's nothing we could do if the automation and controls didn't work, because there's nothing you can do manually in this process. It's that automated. There's about 700 motors, probably over 900 or 1,000 instruments in the mill. We have the ability not only through the PCS7 system, but certainly through our laptops and then also from our smartphones to access information 24/7.
This truly is a smart digital factory facility. The only way you could accomplish that is to have a PCS7 total automation solution communicating to our S120 drives.
Siemens substation that we built as a part of this project, we're able to not only make sure that we have a good, consistent flow of electricity, not to the GreenPac mill, but also to our effluent treatment plant and to our sister mill, the Cascades medium mill next door.
The technology here at GreenPac allows us to strive and will be the world-class leader in linerboard paper.
In this locality, people have gone through a lot of downsizing and plant closings, so to have an opportunity like this in Western New York was huge.
And when we had the opportunity to walk through the plant for the first time, I think there was a real sense of pride and accomplishment that we were turning the corner, that we were creating an industrial base here in Niagara Falls that was going to carry us forward from the 20th century into the 21st century.
135 people that we've employed here. So everybody that's hired into GreenPac has the commitment to not only learn a technical skill, but also to learn soft skills and work in a team. For me, I've been in the industry 32 years and pretty much every one of my roles has always been in a recycled mill. I can't be more excited to be a part of a recycled linerboard mill that has a very strong future.
I look at this as one of the most automated facilities in North America. We're really having an impact on the environment. That gives me a positive feeling. And to see our technology in use like this is fantastic.
And the way I look at it is the future is about being able to recycle. To know that we're making a difference, I like being a part of that.